Good day, ladies and gents. Welcome to BK Mathematics. This is another problem from AP and GP. Okay, and it is coming from GP to be specific. It reads: find the sum of the first 5 terms of geometric progression. You are given 2, 6, and 18. You are given also option A to F. Okay, let's see solution. Since you are given 2, 6, and 18 as your terms, let's say this is our first term, this is our first term, this is the second term, and this is our third term. Okay, now for GP, you are given the first term. So now what I need to do here, you just have to find your common ratio, and that is R, after which you are going to have the sum of the first 5 terms respectively. Now to find the common ratio, that is R, remember you can take any of these ones. Let's say the second term, but like we know the second term for any GP becomes a R. Okay, but remember second term becomes 6 is equals A. This A is giving us 2. This is the first term, so 2 times R. Now you want to find the value of R. Divide by 2, both side by 2, then the value of R becomes 6 upon 2. Then R giving you 3. So it means the value of R here becomes 3. It means the common ratio, we call it not common difference, this is the common ratio because we are dealing with GP. Similarly, you can still use this one for you to have your common ratio. Now let's just solve and see. We say the third term becomes AR square. Then we know the third term is giving us 18 is equal. What is A? That is 2 multiplied by arc square. So we divide by 2, we divide by 2. This cancels, then the value of arc square becomes 9. Then we say r then becomes square root of 9. So the value of r giving you 3. So you're going to have the same answer also. It depends anyone you prefer. So now since we have our common ratio, but like the question says, we have to find the sum of the first 15 terms. Now to find the sum of the first 15 terms, let's recall. We say recall that the sum of the first 5 terms, this is general formula. We say Sn is equals, formula says A into 1 minus r raised to the power n divided by 1 minus r. So this is general formula that you're going to use for you to have your final answer. From this point, we say but the value of n is equals 5. That is the number of terms that you have to find. The common ratio, that is r, giving us 3, and a, that's the first term, giving us 2. So from this point, you substitute now. We say s, this is n, you are giving n as 5. Then this becomes, what is a? A also giving us 2 into 1 minus, what is r? R has given us 3 raised to the power 5. Then we divide everything by 1 minus. We know r also giving us 3. Then from this, we say this is 2 into 1 minus 3 raised to the power 5. We say 3 raised to the power 5, giving you 243. 243 divided by 1 minus 3, giving you minus 2. Okay, now let's subtract what is inside. Then this becomes 2 into 1 minus 243, giving you minus 242. Then we divide by minus 2. Then it means this 2 cancel this one. Then what will remain? It is just minus 242 divided by minus. Then we know minus cancel minus, automatically our answer then becomes 242 respectively. So this is what we are asked to find in respect to the problem that we are given. Our answer then becomes 242 as our fifth terms. Then if you look at the options that you are given, let's look at the options that we are given. Let's look. Automatically we say option A is the correct one. Okay, thank you for watching. Make sure you share, comment, like for everybody to benefit.